All right, boys, we're at the farmer's market with the family right now. All right, and so the first thing I really want to do is go for a little scan, all right? We're gonna scan through the farmer's market, just walk around, see what looks good, what doesn't look good, and take it from there, and then we'll go do our actual shopping. And so what we're also doing here is also looking at prices. This is Saturday with the family, we're at the farmer's market, and we're just trying to make it happen here. So we're seeing broccoli in season. This is November after Thanksgiving. It's California, so we got everything all the time. Got apples in season. You're always looking for what's in season. You don't want to be eating stuff that doesn't taste good. And then what we're doing is, again, just going through a little walkie walk, and we'll make our decisions. The key, if it smells good, it's probably a good sign. It's something you should probably be buying. People are buying a bunch of stuff here, and then you want to look for the stuff that just pops, that looks delicious, looks fantastic. That's what we want to be doing. Again, this is California. We do get everything all the time, so we're just trying to, make our decisions. Over time, you're going to be building relationships with your farmers, and you're going to kind of get to know them. They're going to get to know you. They remember you. You even go visit their farm as well. So it's a thing, it's a good thing to support local farmers and support local seasonal food. We want to eat fresh, eat local, eat seasonal. All right, let's get into it. Honey, dates, we got dates going on. Let's do a loop through this bad boy. Pumpkins, we got carrots, parsnips, turnips, beets, cabbage, fennel, radishes, parsley, cilantro, arugula, Swiss chard, collard greens. Oh my goodness, so many good greens. Kale, lettuce. All right, we're gonna get some good stuff here. This cilantro smells amazing. I could smell it from walking around. I'm gonna definitely get some. Get some parsley. I always want to have at least one thing of parsley in the fridge, because it's good to have good herbs. So we got some arugula. I think I'm gonna do some arugula. Yeah, let's do it. All right, as you probably saw, $3.95 a pound for broccoli. Yeah, that's a lot of money, but honestly, you know where the farm is, you know where it's from, you know it's local, you know it's fresh. They just picked it probably early in the morning or the evening before. It's not some stuff that's been sitting in a truck for hours and hours and days. So it's fresh, and honestly, I don't give a shit. I pay for good quality food, and that it's seasonal and it's fresh, and even if it might not be organic, I still buy it, because it's better than buying that shit in the markets and Safeways and all that kind of crap. All right, even that is still okay, but it's better than canned and frozen stuff. But anyway, we'll talk more about that later. All right, time to do some more shopping.